the scene. Digital dream. Finding deals on Amazon. Grab the deals and carry on. Meet the Jedi lightsaber of cleaning, the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. This bad boy is so powerful it makes dirt tremble in fear. With full-body IPX7 waterproofing, you can use it to tackle even the wettest areas of your bathroom without a worry. It's basically waterproof like a dolphin, but way more useful for cleaning. The spinning head whirls so fast you'll swear it's trying to lift off. Gunk, soap scum, and mysterious bathroom grime stand no chance. And if you're tired of bending and twisting like a yoga instructor just to reach the back of your tub, the adjustable extension handle has got your back, literally. Extending up to 43 inches, you can scrub high spots, low spots, and everywhere in between without pulling a muscle. The LCD power display? Yep. This scrubber comes with its own high-tech screen telling you exactly how much battery life is left, so you'll never run out of juice mid-scrub with a long-lasting rechargeable battery. You can go full tornado mode on your bathroom and the scrubber will still be going strong. And don't forget, this package includes multiple brush heads to handle every surface from delicate tile to stubborn corners that harbor years of grime. It's like having a whole cleaning crew in one device. So, if you're ready to feel like you're wielding a high-tech gadget while gleaming up your bathroom, the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber is your new best friend. Later, guys!